everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Alpine White with a Tacora Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Alpine White. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the DRLs on there. And if I go ahead and press panic for 1 second, low beams are on there as part of the pathway lighting, and that looks real good. Original design language for BMW headlights. This front end can't go wrong. Let's do a little walk around all the way around and get some nice long range shots of the car. We actually have the whole delivery bay open, so we can get some of those longer range shots. And we've got the L-shaped tail lights on. You can see a bit of that welcome light carpet as well. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. This is the classic Alpine White, available pretty well on every BMW ever, except for a few special editions. But I remember watching old Kung Fu movies and always showing white BMWs. So this kind of reminds me of that. The white color really does show off the lines on the hood very well. And up front, we've got the rondelle. We have the one-piece high gloss black kidney grille with the honeycomb grille there. And behind there, you can see we've got the active grille shutters. Down at the bottom, same thing. So when the car needs to breathe, those things will open up. We also have a lot of functional air down at the bottom. You can see into the oil coolers and intercoolers on each side. And I really like the 3 Series front end. They hid the tow hook behind a cover that doesn't look so obvious. Now when we get the lights back on, we've got the inverted L-shaped headlights. And if we take a closer look at them, you'll see that these are the Shadowline BMW LEDs. And I love just taking a look at all these intricate little patterns and very well thought out design. And from a distance, it really does give the effect of looking at a newer 3 Series compared to the older ones. But right away, it's instantly recognizable. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake. So this is the new wheel that came out in the first LCI, and it's pretty well on all the 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series, and it does look really nice, especially with that red caliper popping out back there. And if we look back here, there's your rear 995M wheel with the red caliper, looking sweet. Now if I step back a little bit, you'll see the side profile of this sports activity vehicle. It's not actually a sports activity vehicle, but this is the sportiest sedan benchmark that every car wants to be and grow up to be the M3. In the Canadian market, we do have the M badge on the fender. It's funny, sometimes Canadians remove them and sometimes Americans add them. We have the black M wing mirrors here with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We also have the new welcome light carpet that came out in the LCI 2 for this vehicle. And we have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. We have the sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna, Hofmeister kink. And from this angle, the car looks so good. We have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. L-shaped tail lights with the vertical reflectors at the bottom, and we have the rear diffuser down here, freeform exhaust, and this one has the M Performance muffler as well, which is sweet. Now since we're back here, I've got the key. I can just go ahead and kick my foot underneath the middle. Once that opens up, you'll see that we have some release levers up top to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the grocery bag hanger here, netted area. This is your tire inflator kit that also has your wheel lock key and tow hook in there. Carpeted mats, front plate bracket in that little plastic storage bin. Button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can definitely kick our foot to have this close as well. Perfect. Now if I go over to the passenger side rear quarter, the fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click, there's a little spot to put it, and clockwise to close. If I go ahead and open that rear door, you'll see that we have the lovely Tacora Red interior inside. We have galvanic window controls, ambient light, Harman Kardon, door pockets. Take a look at that rear seating area. We have the center headrest, can flip up or down, armrest in the center with some cup holders, and we also have a pass-through through the center as well. Lower anchors and tethers, ISOFIX for child safety seats. We also have some vents on the back of the center console with some rear climbing controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. Winter mats are installed, and we also have some vents underneath the front seats as well. And up top, coat hanger, handles, and we got some lights. So let's shut the door, and we'll open the front passenger door next. We also have the welcome light carpet down here. So over here, red door panel. We've got door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, big deep door pocket, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and manual under the thigh extension, manual headrest adjustment. There's the front winter mat, soft touch materials on the dash, carbon fiber trim going across, iDrive 8.5 on the curved display. We have cascading ambient light here. If I press this open, you'll see that we also have wireless charger, USB-A cup holders, 12-volt plug, push start, gear selector, iDrive controller. And if I lift this up, there is a USB Type-C in there as well. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me just open that up. So in here, you have your unlock, lock, door pull, memory buttons, all your window controls, side mirror controls. There's a tailgate release down here, push to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. Flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. Head-up display is here as well. Nice stitching going around the head-up display opening as well. Up top, got the black headliner, reading lights. We also have the garage door opener buttons on the underside of the rear view mirror. And this one, of course, has 360 cam. So it does have some self-parking stuff, as well as the backup assistant, which is a memory of how you went forwards for 50 meters, and it'll go backwards the same way you went forwards. And down here, exterior lighting controls, pedals, hood release, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This is 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. And we have positive battery terminal over here, negative battery terminal over there, and we got your washer fluid. Nice M Performance engine cover, and BMWs of course have 2 latches into the hood. It just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just send her down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And once we get to the back, we can definitely do a remote engine start, cold start. We want to get a little taste of that M Performance muffler, I'm sure. So 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. Sounds mean, that's for sure. And if we 1, 2, 3 again, it'll shut off, and the active grille shutter is open, top and bottom. So it can breathe whatever air it needs to breathe. And once it's got enough, it will shut. Just like that. So that's cool. Yeah, this is an excellent spec and great color combination. So how do you like this one? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I've had it warming up in here with the door open, so let's hear that exhaust a little. I think it's so awesome that you can get M Performance exhaust from the factory in our cars because it sounds amazing. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Alpine White with the Tacora Red interior, M Performance exhaust, and the black 995M wheels. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.